here we go. It's Friday. We did pretty good throughout the week, recovering from our last Friday screw up. Let's see if we can do today without a massive fuck up. What are we doing here? Let's see. Looks like this is still coming back up off of its, it's like a week long or more downtrend. So it's probably going to go back up here at some point, although it does go, goes up and goes down, goes up again. So let's see here. Looks like I just did a major little bounce down. It's coming back up. What's the hourly look like? What happened here? That's an interesting gap. Huh. That's weird. What is going on there? It's from 410 to 426 with like, that's a bizarre gap. What are you doing, TradingFailure? Huh. See if we can fix that. Just tell it to go back to 1 hour, right? There we go. That was bizarre. All right, anyway, so I had a big spike up. That was yesterday. Kind of puttered along, kind of went down, went up and then down, trying to decide what it's going to do. So now it came up, looks kind of like it's going down, maybe coming back up. I don't know, let's see. I mean, on the 5-minute and the 4,000 tick, it looks like it's trying to go back up. Let's see, let's just wait and see what it does. And hopefully my video recording doesn't screw up this time. I don't know what happened last time. It like didn't record, and then so I tried to do another one, and there was like a lot of laggy freezing and stuff going on. I don't know what was happening, but hopefully this one is better. See, and this is where I'm tempted to buy and see if it can ride up to here. But sure enough, if the last couple of weeks taught me anything, it's when I do that, it'll turn right back around and come down a ways. So I think I'm going to make myself wait and see if it turns around and then comes back up. Or alternatively, and this might take a while, if it goes up above this, and it's pushing hard. I maybe should have just done it, but I don't really want to risk losing stuff. Again, trying to avoid the massive loss days, because that's really been my problem lately, is I do alright for a little while, and then I have a massive loss, so then I have to recover all of it. That's like, one step forward, 2 steps back, kind of a thing. So I don't know, I'm just not comfortable taking that. We'll see. Hopefully it'll come down and then go back up again. That's kind of what I'm thinking is going to happen. Since it looks like, it looks like we're on an uptrend again, a recovery from here. Although this could just be a retracement of it goes down, bounces up, and goes down again. I don't really know. But again, that's on a much larger, like, daily time frame. But individual candles do encapsulate the trend of the day. So. Okay, so it looks like it might be doing what I was thinking. It's maybe going to come down a little bit and go back up. So hopefully we can wait for that. The one I did yesterday, I saw it come down, and I kind of caught it as it was coming down, and then it bounced up and went back up again, which is not a great trade, really. Because, yeah, I made some money off of it going down, but I should have waited for it to go back up. So that's what we'll do. Try to stick to the plan. Try to have a plan. Wait for it to come down. When it decides that it's going to go back up, we'll catch it going back up. Okay, so there it goes. And what I did yesterday was, as it was going down, I saw it coming down, and so I did a sell, And I got a profit off of it because it actually managed to hit my take profit before going back up. But that was, like I said, not a great trade. So we'll watch this one kind of come down a little bit and then hopefully bounce back up. And as it comes back up, we'll just catch it on the way up, in theory. Okay. This could be where it bounces up. So if it passes, let's say this candle right here, then we'll go ahead and put in a buy. One thing I've noticed is we're moving pretty slow today. Taking a little while for it to move around, which I guess for a Friday is almost expected, I guess. So yeah, we'll see what it does, but maybe it might take a while. Well, I might be wrong. This might be the start of a downtrend here. I think I'm going to wait, though. I'm not going to get in on it right now. Maybe if it comes down below here and then does something. I don't know. I'm just trying to be careful today. And that might mean that I end up not taking any trades, and I'm trying to be okay with that because not making money is better than losing money. And I just need to remember that and only get in on trades where it looks like a good one and that I'm really comfortable with. So I think that's the thing I'm working on today, is really being sure that it's going to do what I think it's going to do before I get in on a trade. Okay, that's starting to look good to me. We might be getting ready to do a buy here. Maybe. Yeah. Well, yeah. This is why we wait for the candle to close. And keep watching. Okay, let's see what this one does. Okay. Do I do it? I did close above this one. It has been on an uptrend there. We can do it and keep our stop loss smaller, perhaps. Although this candle looks like it wants to come back down on us, so maybe not. Of course, this one did too. This one came down a little bit and then went back up. So it's not necessarily a bad sign. Well, it's pushing down pretty good though. Of course, I am zoomed in a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't even really. I guess there is kind of a level right there that it could be fighting against. I don't know. Let's see. Overall, what's it been doing here? So it came up, came down a little bit, went up. Didn't quite make a higher high there. So we'll see what this one does. I still think it's going to go up, but maybe not. Maybe it's just going to do consolidation through the day. I might just have to keep an eye on it and see if at some point there's a big move. So right now, I mean, it's kind of been like moving up but slowly. It moved up but slowly here. Just taking its time about it today. Needs more oomph, I think. Keep watching. And of course, the other problem here is that with my crappy laptop, I'm starting to run out of drive space again. So if it doesn't do something soon, I may have to stop recording and then just do what I'm going to do, and then kind of come back and do a recap later, which I hate doing. I much prefer to actually catch the actual trade, but if I have to stop recording, it's kind of hard to start recording and then go in and then get the trade and hope it's still the same, you know, and that I haven't missed it. Yeah. This does still look like it's going to continue its little climb upward, though, doesn't it? I just don't want to make that assumption and have it not work out. Alright, well, drive space is an issue, so I'll go ahead and stop, and then just record a little thing later, see if I can clean up. I'll probably take this video and chop it up a little bit, cut out all the long boring parts, save some space. And then once that's compressed down, you know, maybe do another one. And if I don't take any trades today, which I'm trying to convince myself is okay to do, but if I don't take any trades today, you know, I'll still mention that in the recap at the end. So, alright, time to save drive space. My laptop is wailing its death cries. Okay, here we are back again. After having waited for however long for it to do something, I unfortunately got kind of impatient right around over here. And as soon as I took it, I realized it was a bad idea, bad trade. So yeah, I bought at the top of this, and then it kind of came down, and then it went back up, and it went back up a little bit more. And I said, you know, this isn't good, so I got out of it. And it's a good thing I did too, because then it just crashed back down here. And then this right here, this is the sort of setup that I was waiting for, and that I should have waited just a little bit longer to hit. Because it came down and spiked back up, and then it started to go up. And so I caught it off once this candle closed right here. I went ahead and hit buy. I lagged a little bit, so I didn't get it, you know, quite at the bottom of that candle, but I got it right here. Could have gone a little bit higher than I did on the take profit. This one's only a 250, but could have gone all the way up to the top of this and would have got it. But then, interestingly enough, you know, I had thought that it was going to, you know, bounce off and keep going back up. I didn't do that. It actually turned around and kept going down. I didn't get in on it again because I had other things going on. But I mean, the one, well, two, but I'm really only going to call it one because this one was not a great idea. But I got the one good trade out of it. And it's only 250, but it's still better than nothing, and certainly better than losing money. And well, you know, fake paper money, but it's still, you know, kind of proven that I'm getting better. I think could have ended this day with another massive loss, just being stupid, but managed to pull that out. And yeah, I think this whole week is a green. Like every day has been green this week. From Monday on to today, which is, for me anyway, fairly impressive. And I want to say, let's see actually, how much have we made over the course of the week? 4,000 in profit over the course of a week. I mean, that's pretty freaking impressive for me. That's like, that's better than I've ever done, I think. And that can't be right, can it? No losing trades. Like, zero losses for the entire week. I've never done that before. I've obviously got close a couple times, especially that one earlier today, for having a loss, but like, that's impressive for me. Wow. So yeah, total profit 4,000 just on the week. Damn. All right, well, yeah, we're gonna stop it there. We're up 6,000 over baseline, and let's see if we can do this again next week.